Hello guys, Ben Antoine with Credit Elite here. I want to talk quickly about the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which is the law that enables to do what we do in credit repair. So we do much more. We are financial consultants here at Credit Elite. So we do personal credit, we do business credit, we do investment, we do a lot of different things. But as far as the credit repair is concerned, the Fair Credit Reporting Act it's a major act. It's really what enables us to do what we do. So once we do a dispute of anything that's on your credit, we send usually the first round to the bureaus because that's where they have the information. And then the bureau's role is to verify, review at least, accuracy, and completeness of information that are in your credit reports. So if they can make the decision on their own and say, okay, this is not theirs, it's obvious somehow, they can see it, well, they'll remove it right away without even contacting the creditor, furnishers, or vendors. They will not contact them. If they cannot make a decision, then they will send you a dispute and they will contact those creditors, vendors, or furnishers and verify that the information is accurate or not. And based on that, they will either accept it, reject it, or follow up with additional information. That's why we send a second round of letters or emails or fax or whatever this is that we communicate with them. And we give them additional information based on that particular item. So that is how the disputing process works. We usually send it to the bureaus. The bureaus contact the creditors, furnishers, or vendors, and just investigate basically. And then if they don't come back within 30 days, then now at this point the credibility of that item is challenged, and they, by law, have to remove it if they can't prove it, or if they can prove that this is yours, then they have to remove it by law. So that was, in a nutshell, really what the Fair Credit Reporting Act does. It really allows you to challenge anything on your credit report against what they have in archive and what you have in your credit report. So they check both against each other, and they make a decision based on that. So that's what we do. I mean, we dispute it. The bureaus have the role to verify accuracy, and that's pretty much it. So I'll talk about it more because there's a few more things to it. There's a lot more things to it. But that's in a nutshell what the Fair Credit Reporting Act has enabled us and the Bureau to do. Thank you.